How to set up manual tax rates in Squarespace. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into our actual online stores and click on this gear icon right here in order to proceed to our settings. From in there, you should be able to see this. Proceed to click onto this search icon and search in here for tax. You can see this tax test right here so you can set it up. You can just proceed to go over to the selling in order to locate these taxes if you would want. We have in here our automated with minimal upkeep, but we also have in here our manual, which is actually free to use. Click on this right here and click on continue. Once you have done that, you can see in here the tax status. So in here, just proceed to click on this add rate. Select in here the country that you want to charge the tax with. I'll head over and choose in here Philippines. Click on next and input right here the country rate. Let's input right here VAT and charge this rate on services and digital products. And you can also have the option to charge taxes on shipping. Proceed to click on save once you're done. After that, you can add this at the checkout or include in the price if you would want. From in there, you can see in here some additional tax settings if you would want to as well. But once you're done, as you can see, we're already connecting manual tax status. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.